Hello everyone, welcome back to my educational channel Study with NRS. Today I am going to discuss most possible questions of first chapter of physics, that is force. So let's begin this video. So the first question is, state the quantity and SI unit of force. The four options are vector and joule second, scalar and Newton meter, vector and Newton, and the last option is scalar and joule. The right answer will be vector and Newton. So the second question is, state the motion when the rigid body free to move and the rigid body pivoted at a point respectively. As we know that the rigid body when will be free to move, it shows the linear motion, and when it will be pivoted at a point, it shows the rotational motion. So the right answer will be linear and rotational motion, that is option number 3. What is the SI unit of moment of force? The options are Newton meter per meter, Newton meter square, Newton meter, or the Newton. The right answer will be Newton meter, that is option number 3. So the fourth question is, state the factors affecting moment of force. What are the factors affecting the force? The options are energy and perpendicular distance, energy and work, force and acceleration, magnitude of force, and the perpendicular distance. As we know that the moment of force is equal to product of magnitude of force and the perpendicular distance. So the right answer will be magnitude of force and the perpendicular distance, that is the option number 4th, magnitude of force and the perpendicular distance. Moving to the next question, that is question number 5th. The other name of the moment or turning effect of force is, the four options are tangent, transition, torque, or torque. Right answer will be third option, that is TORQUE. Moving to the next question, that is the question number 6th. The arithmetic operations or symbols for clockwise and anti-clockwise movements respectively. The four options are positive and negative, negative and positive, negative plus V, positive plus V, positive plus V, negative plus V. As we know that while the clockwise movement shows the negative operation symbols and arithmetic operations, and the anti-clockwise shows the positive. So we have the options very confusing, but the right answer will be the second option, because here directly written negative and positive symbols, clockwise for negative and the anti-clockwise shows the positive arithmetic operations, while in third option there is negative written but the sign is different. So the right answer will be negative and positive, that is option number 2nd. Moving to the next question, that is question number 7. Why Newton meter of torque is not written joule but unit Newton meter for work and energy written joule? This is because the four options are, because the torque is a scalar quantity and the work or energy is vector quantity, torque is a vector quantity and work and energy are a scalar quantity, torque and the work and energy is a scalar quantity, or torque and work and energy are vector quantity. The right answer will be, because the torque is vector quantity and the work or energy is a scalar quantity, that is option number 3rd. Moving to the next question, that is question number 8. What will be the moment of force? When will be the moment of force will be 0? The four options are when force and displacement will be 0, when force will be 1 and displacement will be also 1, force passes through the pivoted point, and the last option is both 1 and option number 3rd. The right answer will be 4th number, that is option number 4, that is force will be and displacement will be 0 and the force passes through the pivoted point. So the both are correct, so the right options will be option number 4. Moving to the next question, that is question number 9. The direction of anti-clockwise and clockwise movements respectively are. So as we anti-clockwise means outwards and clockwise means inwards. So the right answer will be the option number 1st, outwards and inwards. Moving to the next question, that is question number 10. If in a pivoted body, there are two cases, that is case 1, force is 10 Newton and the distance is 10 meter from the axis of the pivoted point, the body show rotation, and it compared to case 2, force applied is same but the distance increases to 10 meters from the axis of the pivoted point, then the body will rotate. The four options are more easily than case 1, difficult to rotate, or it will not rotate, or the harder to rotate than case 1. As we know that if we will increase the distance, then it is easier to make it rotate. So the first option will be the right option, that is more easily than case 1. The body will rotate more easily than case 1. The first option is right. In couple, which term is relevant? The four options are pair of forces in same direction, pair of forces equally and in opposite direction, two unequal forces parallel to each other, two equal and opposite parallel forces. The right answer will be two equal and opposite parallel forces. Moving to the next question, that is question number 12. Figure showing which actions? That is, first options are couple, equilibrium, clockwise and anti-clockwise, and the last option is turning effects of force. The right answer will be couple. Moving to the next question. Which of the following is not the example of couple? The options are opening a tap, tightening the cap, turning a key in a lock, or pushing a wall. The right answer will be pushing a wall, because here no rotation is shown, and we already know that couple always show the rotation. So the right answer will be pushing a wall. Moving to the next question. When we can say that the body is in equilibrium? The four options are applied force changes direction continuously, applied force produces no change in its state of rotation, applied force produces no change in states in its motion, that is linear or transitional, or the fourth options both second and third. Right answer will be both second and third. It does not show changes in its state of rest also, and it also not showing changes in its motion as well. So the right answer will be both second and third option. Which of these are the examples of static equilibrium? Option A, a portrait hung on the wall. Option B, book is lying on a table. C, pushing a table. Or D, balanced beam balance. Then options are again given that number 1 options is all three, A, C and D, and second is A, B, D, and third is A, B, C, and the fourth is B, C, D. As we know that static equilibrium means that it should be in one place only and showing no movement, means it should not be showing any movement, displacement. So but in option number C, that is pushing a table, it can be moved towards the force applied. So the right except C, all will be the right answer, A, B, D. That is option number 3rd, A, B, D. Moving to the next question, that is question number 16. Which of these are the example of dynamic equilibrium? Raindrop, aeroplane moves, balanced beam balance, or running on a treadmill. As we know that balanced beam balance is the example of static equilibrium. So except C, all will be the right. So A, B, D, that is option number 3 is the right answer. Moving to the next question, that is question number 17. A physical balance works on the principle of. Options are principle of couple, principle of moments, principle of torque, or principle of force. The right answer will be principle of moments. Moving to the next question, that is question number 18. What is the center of gravity of solid cone? The four options are at a height of h by 6 from the base, at a height of h by 3 part of from the base, at a height of h by 4 from the base, at a height of h by 2 from the base. The right answer will be at a height of h by 4 from the base, that is option number 3. Moving to the next question. What is the center of gravity of hollow cone? At the height of h by 3 from base, at the base midpoint, at the height of h by 4 from the base, at a height of h by 5 from the base. The right answer will be at the height of h by 3 from the base. That is the option number 1. Moving to the next question, that is question number 20. What is the center of gravity of uniform ball? The four options are at its geometrical center, at its bottom, at its topmost point, at any point on its surface. The right answer will be at its geometrical center. So moving to the next question, that is question number 21. Which of the following quantity remains constant in a uniform circular motion? The four options are velocity, acceleration, speed, or both velocity and speed. The right answer will be speed, because as we know that in circular motion speed remains constant but the direction changes, so the velocity also changes and acceleration also changes, but the speed remains constant. So the right answer will be option number 3, speed. Moving to the next question, that is question number 22. The centrifugal force is dash. The four options are real force, a fictitious force, the force of reaction of centripetal force directed towards the center of the circular path. The right answer will be a fictitious force, because it's a fact force and fictitious means a fact force. Moving to the next question, that is question number 23. The centripetal force is. The four options are a real force, a fact force, a fictitious force, the force of reaction of centrifugal force. The right answer will be a real force, because centripetal force is a real force and it is always towards the circular path, and centrifugal force will be away from the circular path. Moving to the next question, that is question number 24. The uniform linear motion is. The four options are accelerated motion, unaccelerated motion, both of these, or none of these. The right answer will be unaccelerated motion. It does not show any accelerations. Moving to the next question, that is question number 25. The uniform circular motion is. The options are accelerated motion, unaccelerated motion, both of these, or none of these. Here we have the term circular motion, uniform circular motion, that is its speed remains constant but the direction changes, so velocity also changes, and so it will be an accelerated motion. That is option number 1, accelerated motion.